Have you ever felt invisible while speaking? It's not your words. Words are only 7% of communication. The rest is tone and body language. Today, we're rewiring how you're perceived, starting with the signals your body sends before you say a single word. Respect has nothing to do with being intimidating. In biology, true authority signals two things: safety and competence. People don't follow the loudest voice. They follow the calmest, most capable presence. That's the signal, and it's something you can train. There are 3 modes: submissive, where you shrink; aggressive, where you overpower; and authoritative, the balanced middle ground where real respect lives. It's not about dominating a room, it's about occupying your space calmly. That's exactly what we're building next. When you're asked something, your instinct is to answer instantly, but that reads as nervous. Instead, pause for 2 seconds before responding. That small silence signals you're in control of the moment, not scrambling to fill it. Confidence has a rhythm, and it's slower than you think. Crossing your arms, hunching your shoulders, that's called turtling, and it silently signals low status. Instead, keep your chest open and let your body take up its natural space. You're not being arrogant, you're simply stopping the habit of apologizing for existing. Hard staring feels threatening. No eye contact feels dishonest. The fix is the eye contact triangle. Softly shift your gaze between one eye, the other eye, and the mouth. It feels natural, keeps you present, and builds what experts call warm authority. Hiding your hands taps into an ancient survival instinct. A hidden hand once meant a hidden weapon. Keeping your hands visible, relaxed, and slightly open sends an instant unconscious signal of honesty. It's one of the fastest ways to make someone trust you. Quick, jerky movements broadcast anxiety. Calm, deliberate movement broadcasts control. High-status people simply move slower because they have nothing to prove and nowhere urgent to rush to. Slow your gestures down and watch how differently people respond to you. Not sure what to do with your hands while thinking? Avoid clenched, tense fists. Instead, gently touch your fingertips together in what's called the power steeple. It's a small, universal gesture that quietly says, "I trust what I'm about to say." Touching your hair, tugging your collar, scratching your face, these tiny habits quietly leak your nerves to everyone watching. Stillness isn't about being stiff, it's about choosing not to release that tension outward. The calmer your hands, the calmer you appear. Trying to remember 6 separate rules at once just looks robotic. The goal isn't a checklist, it's integration. With practice, the pause, the posture, the steady eyes all merge into one natural rhythm, until confident body language simply becomes who you are. Here's the wild part: your posture can change your brain chemistry. Just 2 minutes of holding an open, expansive stance raises confidence and lowers stress. Acting confident isn't fake, it's often the very first step toward genuinely feeling it. Yes, you can overdo it. An exaggerated stiff posture reads as trying too hard, and people can tell. The real target isn't maximum confidence, it's relaxed power, steady, easy, unforced. Calm always outperforms a performance. Confidence isn't a one-time trick, it's a daily reset. Give yourself 5 minutes each morning, open your chest, drop your shoulders, practice the pause and steady your hands. Train your body first thing and your mindset will follow it out the door. Remember feeling invisible? That was never about everyone else, it was the signal you were sending yourself. Respect your own presence and the world has no choice but to follow. Practice these cues and watch the room change around you. That's it for today, but I'd love to know how it goes for you. Subscribe and let's keep building this together. And thank you for watching. Tell me in the comments which cue you're trying first.
Hi, thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.